So guys, hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a lot of time. Yes, I was supposed to have a bit of content a while ago. I just can't keep up. But today, if you guys can tell already, I've got the brand new iPhone 17 Pro in hand. So again, this is not mine. This is Mani, aka Abdurrahman, my twin brothers, and I get to unbox it because I'm a special child. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so we've already got the phone right here. It's the 17 Pro, as you can tell. It's in the cosmic orange colorway. Obviously, I pulled the tabs off unknowingly that the camera was not recording, so obviously I can't fix that. But if you can take a look right here, it says cosmic orange, a 256 gigabyte model. So let's get right into it. So let's just pull the phone right out. And wow, guys, that's actually incredible. Let's take this phone out. Okay, we'll take a look at that in a second, but that is honestly, wow, that is an incredible color. Like, look at that color, guys. It's not bad. I didn't think I'd like it, but yeah, it might seem a bit more darker on camera but than it is, but it looks awesome in person. You should definitely go see it in an Apple store or get one yourself, whichever one you're feeling, whatever day it is for you. But let's just put that there for a second and let's check out what else we get in the box. So obviously the type C to type C charging cable, SIM ejector tool, because I live in the UK. We still have the physical SIM right here, and therefore we don't get an antenna band right at the top right here for 5G. Next we have is the pamphlets and wordy stuff. So that's that. Every single warranty you could ask for. This what's it called, the energy sticker. Thank you for that, Apple. And yeah, I'm just gonna close this up because unlike money, I think that taking care of this part of the stuff of your phone is also quite crucial. But yeah, so that's the phone. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. I'm not very good at this yet. I'm gonna go get him and then he shall do the unveiling himself. Okay, so we've got Mani with us. Mani, do you want to say hi to my fans?
Hello.
So we're gonna have him do his PO, and I took the microphone off for an ASMR PO. So whenever you're ready, boy. That was a nice pull, bro. That was nice. Okay, so Mani is about to power this phone on. कैसा feel कर रहा Mani?
Let's do this.
तो चल करना फिर power on.
अच्छा.
So Mani is upgrading from the 15 Pro, which he's had for what, half a year? He spent the other
2
half.
साल हो गए चले.
नहीं तो तूने वो कितनी दे रखा था, the iPhone, not the iPhone, the Samsung.
2-4 महीने. 5 महीने.
Fair enough. But you guys get the gist of it. He's going a new upgrade. Ooh, that's smooth. Oh my god, those bezels are non-existent. That is amazing, bro. Obviously the camera control button and everything, that looks nice, man. I'm starting to get jealous. Okay, so let's set this up. English, and we're gonna go with the United Kingdom because that was where we're stuck at. I mean, we love the UK. Yay! Mani, say you love the UK.
UK फिट है. ये क्या चवल है? आधी बैटरी के साथ.
अबे शुक्र कर कुछ भी मिल रहा है. अच्छा तो बता, स्मॉल आइकॉन्स करने हैं, मीडियम करने हैं, लार्ज करने हैं?
मेरे जो हैं
वो मीडियम वाले सेटिंग्स में जाके होते हैं, इधर से नहीं है.
इधर से ही ठीक है.
Alright, so now we're gonna set up. No, get your phone. So your actual phone, your main phone. Let me go grab it for him, guys. Alright, so here we are. This is his current phone. It's the 15 Pro Max. Let's just show everybody what's under the hood, shall we? So, okay, we've got his driver's license. Thankfully, it fell out of the frame. So this is the old phone. So take a look, guys. The phone, obviously, you can see the similarities. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I don't think you needed the upgrade, but whatever floats your boat, I guess. So what I gotta do, I gotta turn on your Bluetooth. Is it on? No, it's that one. What do I gotta do? Alright, there we go. So we gotta do that, and then we're just gonna quickly put that in off camera. No need for you guys to see. And then we're gonna try and put the Face ID in because I didn't know that it takes double. So once you go here, all I gotta do is scan this code right here, people. And now it's a pretty seamless process. So money वैसे तुझे कितना टाइम लगता अगर ये ना पता होता तुझे?
पता नहीं, आधा घंटा
और अभी 15-20 मिनट के अंदर 5 में हो जाएगा सेटअप. So now we're just gonna quickly set it up for him. There you go. Now it's going to bring up all the information, stuff that we want to keep and what we don't. If you go onto the old phone, now it's going to ask for the password again. So if you want to put that in. Honestly, this is fun. I'm excited for him because obviously I do love playing around with Apple gadgets, dipping that. I got more stuff coming in soon as well for content, so stick around, stay tuned. I'd have plans, but while this is activating, let's just give you another look around, shall we? So honestly, amazing phones, amazing. All right, so we're gonna quickly, whoops. Okay guys, I'm gonna quickly do this. Okay, so we're just at the SOS. So we finished up setting up the account. So it's just gonna transfer the data now. So I'm just gonna put these phones here, let them update again. Take a look. This is the brand new 17 Pro. Honestly, amazing phone, amazing color. Honestly, in love with it. Still very jealous, but thank you to Mani letting me unbox this phone, and thank you guys for watching this video. Mani, would you like to say anything to my fans? Maybe why I'm always missing my uploads.
पता नहीं, ये चवल है, इसको वीडियो नहीं बनानी आती.
Guys,
अभी नया सामान आया है, अभी वीडियो आएगी guys.
See, even Mani is promoting me now. You guys have to go and watch the new coming videos. But thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you are new. We're trying to get the train started, so let's get back into it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.